Good morning, children. Welcome back. We will continue with our chapter number 18. Okay, wildlife. And in the previous video, we have done about the different varieties or the diversified animals and birds being found in India. The wildlife being found in India. Okay, we will continue, and today we will do the topics of wildlife and the need for their conservation and national parks and sanctuaries of India. Now, this like to know, this is for your multiple choice or 1 mark. Now you have to study that crane is the largest bird seen in India, and फुलसिंघानो is the smallest bird seen in India. So हम देखेंगे कि हमारे इंडिया में the largest bird is crane and फुलसिंघानो is the smallest bird seen in India. Then birdwing is the largest butterfly seen in South India, and Cirrus jewel is the smallest butterfly seen in India. Okay, so these names you have to learn for your 1 mark answer. Now, wildlife and the need for conservation. Okay. Now, need for its conservation. Why we have to conserve this wildlife? Isn't it? हमको क्यों ये बचाए रखना है? Because with that, the full diverse we can say the environment is going on. इन वाइल्ड एनिमल्स की वजह से ही फॉरेस्ट एरियाज या हम लोग या हमारी सृष्टि जो है वो चल रही है, वी कैन से. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दिस पैराग्राफ दे हैव गिवन द नेम्स ऑफ द एनिमल्स व्हिच आर बीइंग ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन. एक्सटिंक्शन मतलब जो ख़त्म होने जा रहे हैं. नाउ वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड द नीड फॉर कंजर्वेशन. While going through the past, it becomes evident that there is danger to the existence of the wildlife since last few decades. Decade is time period of 10 years. So in the last 30 to 40 years or 50 years time span, we can see there are some animals and birds which are being on the danger of existence, isn't it? Matlab, then their number is going on decreasing. Before 100 years, thousands of tigers were seen in India. As per the figures of 2014 given by Forest and Environment Ministry, the figure is just 2,226, isn't it? We can say कि 100 years back thousands of tigers were seen in India, isn't it? But now the number has been left only around 2,226. Tigers have grown in numbers, which is evident from the imprints of their foot taken during the last few years. But then with the efforts of government को अब ध्यान गया है कि yes, the number of tigers are being decreasing. So in the last few years, because of the efforts of government, the number has been increased, isn't it? This is a good sign. Vultures are on the verge of becoming extinct due to the eating the meat which becomes polluted by diclofenac drug used in the treatment of this sick milch cattle. Okay, now vultures, अब देखो कैसे the cycle is there. Now vultures are on the verge of extinction. Vultures क्यों ख़त्म हो रहे हैं? क्योंकि they eat the meat of the milch cattle, जो cattle का मीट खाते हैं. Now these milk cattle are being given a drug named diclofenac, isn't it? अब वो diclofenac drug दिया जाता है these cattles को, okay, so that their milk capacity goes on increasing. Now but when these cattle die, the meat is being eaten by the vultures. और वो ड्रग किसके अंदर जा रहा है अब? इन द बॉडी ऑफ vultures, isn't it? So because of that drug that is being given to the cattle, it is being affecting the vultures, isn't it? So the number of vultures are going on decreasing. Leopards seen in the forest in the beginning of the 20th century have become extinct from India. Okay, leopards are they are nearly extincted. मतलब leopards nearly खत्म हो गए हैं. Once the Asiatic lions of Gir, which was seen even up to Middle East, are now restricted to Gir forest only, isn't it? जो this lions are being found only in Gir areas. पहले वो हमारे इंडिया में बहुत जगह पाए जाते थे. These lions were being found in the central India or in the eastern India, but now they are being found only in the Saurashtra में या गिर में ही पाए जाते हैं. With due steps taken for their protection, now their number is 523. Okay, just imagine the number of lions being found in Gir forest is 523. Once cranes were seen in the large numbers in Gujarat, but now their number is reduced. Even the number of cranes have been decreased. Wildlife is an inseparable part of the living organisms, but the decrease in their numbers somewhere and for some years reduce the quality of the environment, which is a matter of concern. Shamguru eagle, a resident of the mountainous forest in Gujarat, is now rarely seen. Isn't it? The eagles also. We remember we used to see so many eagles in the sky when we were kids or when we were children, but now you will never see such type of eagles in the sky. Isn't it? Rarely such eagles are being found. Then Chiltaro, seen in the forest of Vijayanagar Taluka, is rarely seen today. Chilotro, we can say, it is also a small bird, okay, जिसकी थोड़ी बीक ऐसे लंबी होती है. पहले वो बहुत पाया जाता था, but now this bird is also nearly extincting. It is obvious that endless human greed and the run for progress have made environment imbalance, which would bring adverse result. Still, there is time. If proper action is not taken, then the next generation would see the wildlife only in pictures. Okay, so still they are saying a time is there. If we save such wildlife, the number can be increased, or otherwise they are saying the next generation will see such wildlife only in pictures or on the media. We can say TV में ही दिखेंगे such type of wild animals and birds. Now here they have given the names of some important national parks and sanctuaries of India. Along with that, they have also given the map work. Now this map work you people have to learn thoroughly. What you people will do, take one physical map, okay, और इस physical map में you will put different symbols for different areas. Like जैसे page 139 में they have already given. For wildlife sanctuaries, they have taken a circle. Bird sanctuary, they have taken a star, and a national park, they have taken a triangle. So with that same symbols, you will mark the wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, and national parks. In exam, suppose I say, कि mark Gir National Park. So you must know that where is Gir in Saurashtra area. Okay, you will put a triangle over there. Okay, and there you will write down Gir National Park. Okay. Or suppose if I say कि Kaziranga, so Kaziranga you must know it is in Assam. Okay, तो वहाँ पे you will put a triangle and you will write down Kaziranga National Park. Now here they have given the name of the chart. Now national park and sanctuaries. Okay, और sanctuaries का this sanctuary यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना है. यहाँ पे तुमको this sanctuary word you have to cut down and write down over there the animals and the birds found over there. Now see Kaziranga, it is in Assam, and which type of birds animals are being found? Rhino, wild buffalo, deer. Thar desert में wolf, okay, the desert cat and the bustard are being found. Then Kana is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, there tigers and antelopes are being found. But now for your map work, what you people will do, this portion जो birds and animals के नाम दिए हुए हैं वो learn करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. From exam point of view, you will learn what? Kaziranga, it is in Assam. Thar desert, it is in Rajasthan. Kana, is it in Madhya Pradesh? All this will come in your 1 mark. Fill in the blanks or multiple choice or match the pairs. In any form this can come, as well as in your map work. Okay, so then Gir National Park, Gujarat. Then Velawar Kalia National Park, it is in Gujarat. Kevladev, that is in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Bandipur, Karnataka. Danchingam, Kashmir. Corbett, that is in Himalaya. Now apart from this, there are so many other names given in your map work. See here I have taken this map work. There are also so many other names you have, it is being given. Okay, that also you have to learn. Okay, you will see here they have marked the wild sanctuary with blue dot, bird sanctuary with star, okay, and national parks with green. So same way you will do it in your map work. Okay, and then the same thing I will give in your assignment also. You will do this map work and show me in your assignment work. Okay, so all these points are being given on page number 138 and the map work is given on page 139. Go through it. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day.